Dear student, today in this lesson we will learn about food, where does it come from. So by the end of this lesson you will able to define food, define uses of food, define ingredients, define sources of food. So first of all we will talk about food. So as you know, we all eat food for living, and there are so many sources through which we can get the food. So, what is food? This is the nutritious substance that animals, plants, or human eat or drink, or that plants absorb in order to maintain their proper body growth. To cook food, we need different kind of materials called as ingredients. So, as we see in our daily life, we eat several things: rice, fish, butter, bread, fruits like banana, mango, pineapple, and vegetables like turnip, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, potato. So, these are various things which we take as a food in our daily life. So, to cook food, we need different kind of materials called as ingredients. So, ingredients, these are the components which are used to prepare food. So, whatever the food we eat, we need some kind of ingredients through which we can make the food. So, ingredients are the raw material which after cooking we take as a food. So, uses of food in our body. So, food is used for energy so that we can do activities in daily life, for growth so that we can grow up rapidly, because without food we cannot grow properly, and food is essential for our growth. For good health, if there is no food, our health will keep on degrading. So we need good food for good health. For bone healing, if we get hurt and some kind of cut is there in our hand, in our body, so to heal that we need proper food so that we can heal those bone properly for normal body functioning. So in this process we need adequate food. So in normal body functioning there are several foods which can help us to maintain the normal body functioning. So first activity you can do what we eat, and you will find out in your nearby or neighborhood with your friends or the family member. So a name of the student, friend, or your family member. So you will write that food items eaten in a day, whatever they are eating, record that in this table. So make a table like this and record your observation up to five. So five people you can write here, and you can check out what are the food items they are eating in a day. So next, for example, to cook the boiled rice at our home, we need only two ingredients, which are water and rice. So water and rice we take and we boil them, and after then with that we can get the cooked rice. Next we have, or cook vegetable curry, you need vegetables, spice, salt, oil, and many other ingredients. For example, at your home, if your mother is making curry, so we need vegetables, spices, salts, oil, and many other things to make that curry. Okay, to make chapati or roti, you need wheat flour or atta as an ingredient to mix with that, and after heating on, uh, we will get chapati. So we need wheat flour and water to make chapati. So in this activity, too, make a table food items and their ingredients. For example, whatever the food item you are taking, and to write that. So what are the ingredients involved in making that food item, you will write in the next row. So in column wise, you can add 5 food items and write the ingredients of food items. So next, food material and sources. So food eaten by us is mainly obtained from two major sources: plants and animals. So food sources are mainly of two kinds: plants or animals. So plants are providing us food and animals are providing us food. So plant as a source of food. So there are several plants through which we can get the food for our growth, for our good health. So these foods are in the form of vegetables, fruits, or seeds. So these are the several things we can get from plants. For example, corn, dal, oats. A vegetable, there are several vegetables like carrot, turnip, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, and fruits like guava, pineapple, grapes, banana, peach, lemon, custard apple. So there are several things you can get as a fruit. So these are the things we can get as a food from plants. The next one is animal as a source of food. So for example, egg, meat, milk, fish, chicken, pork, prawns. These are taken as a sources of food from animals. So egg is given by hen, and milk and cheese, and milk is given by cow, buffalo. So we can take milk from them and we can make cheese, butter, clarified butter. And fishes are major sources of food also. So we can get them and we can take their meat as a food. So chicken is also there, we can take as a source of food. Meat is there, prawns are there. So all the marine fishes we can take as a food. So these are the several sources of food from the animals. So these are the two major sources of food, that is from plants as and animals. So I hope you will learn from these things about food and what are ingredients, what are sources of food through this video lesson. Thank you.